Hello guys, so today this is my new project, the Corvette Zo6 engine. I'm going to start this engine on the earth. For that we need to do the wiring, we need to unlock the engine computer and disable the wire packs so we can start the engine on the earth. For that I'm going to do the wiring first. I have connected the dry sump because we need to put the oil in the dry sump. The Corvette Zo6, they are using dry sump. Without a dry sump you can't start the engine because it will suck the oil from the dry sump, the oil pump of the engine. And also for the heating purpose I have connected the radiator. I'll keep the engine life for 5 to 10 minutes start as per requested by customer. As you can see, this is 06 7.07 liter engine. So I have done some wiring and I'm doing the rest of the wiring. So let me tell you that what I have done. In this we have the circuit of the engine computer. We will use this circuit, and this circuit there is in this connector, and this connector there is wiring for the can, and there is ignition current, there is battery wiring, battery current, and also there is one ground. So I have given the ignition and the battery voltage to the engine so the car could start. And for that the number 19 and 20 is the engine positive voltage, which I have connected to this wire. And we have these two cane wires for the OBD2 purpose. We will have to check that either if there is any fault or any other thing in the car, or in the future if we install in the car, so we could have the OBD2 wiring for this engine. We can easily check. And also in this we have the we need to give the current to the ignition, current of the ignition to the injectors and to the coils. So I have done those wires. As you can see, I have attached this wire to them. These are the coil voltage and also the injectors, and also there are ground. So I have done that all. Now I'm going to do the accelerator pedal wiring. I have got the circuit of the accelerator pedal. So the wiring of the accelerator pedal is from the C1, which is the black connector of the engine computer. So as you can see that these wires will have to connect it by numbers to the engine control modules. So I have already cut off them. It's number 23 and number 29 and number 56, all these wires. So as you can see, I have cut them off. Now I'll connect the accelerator pedal so the car could start. All the rest of the thing I have done, so only the accelerator pedal is remaining. So I have I have cut off the wirings. I have recognized the wires. These are the wires, so I have cut them off, and now I'm connecting to the circuit. And for that I have also connected the fuel pump. As you can see, this is the fuel pump. So everything is good, everything is connected. Everything is connected. Thrower body is connected, the engine wiring. Only the remaining thing is the mass airflow wiring. This is the mass airflow circuit. So I don't think I need it for right now. Only I need to start the engine. Once I start the engine, then I can connect the mass airflow. And I have also take off the injector wirings. So I'm connecting them back. So this is the engine. So let me start connecting the wiring of the accelerator pedal. For time being I will pause the video because I don't have my cameraman right now. So I will make the wiring for the accelerator pedal. Once I done, I will show you. So I have done the pedal wiring. As you can see, I'm taping it. It's too hot. I'm sweating. Accelerator pedal wearing is done. Now I will connect the accelerator pedal. Now I will unlock the engine computer. I will break the wet back so we can start the engine on the arm. So here is the setup on the bench. I've connected all the wires. Now I'm going to disable the security from the engine computer using HP tuner. I've already read the file. So I have connected the engine computer on the bench. So now I'm writing the file to the computer. I will do right entire. You can see it's being downloaded in the rating. Sometimes it is taking a bit time while erasing. So it started writing. It is taking like 5 minutes. So for time being, I will pause the video because 5 minutes is too long. Once the writing is complete, so I will remake the video and I will install it to the engine and let's see, hope for the good news. So now it's like 40 seconds is remaining. Let me show you once it completes. So I will have to take off and I will install it to the car. I'm using this power box as a battery. It's really good. So it's almost completed. Yeah, writing is complete. So we're going to close it. I will switch off. Either you can disconnect the power. Now I'm going to disconnect the PC something. Disconnect it. I will remove my HP. And let's see.
Yusuf, no, this is a class. Delta.